Hey everybody, well, a little shorter day today, but some actual progress where it looks like I actually got something done for a change rather than fiddle with things all day long. We got the seats in, as you can see. Really happy about that. It shows me some progress for a change rather than tedious work. Lots of hours went into just getting to this point with the seats, though. We got the pull pins are set so that they clip into place for different leg lengths. I'm sure I'm going to have mine pushed all the way to the front, but that's okay. The seats are actually made so that they're a little stiff yet, but the seats fold forward, and if I lifted this off, they'd pull even further forward, as you can see. That goes back. There's a map pocket or whatnot that goes on the back. Still waiting for the baggage compartment floor, cockpit floor. Just for the heck of it, I did wire instead of cable, which end up replacing all this, just the rudder pedals to see what the rudder pedal, how much travel I needed for the rudder pedals themselves, and it doesn't look like there's a lot required. They're pretty sensitive. Other than that, we'll start working on the trim adjustment mechanism probably tomorrow, but so far so good. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.